Bold. Meaning, fearless and daring. Example, the explorer took a bold step into the unknown. Bright. Meaning, giving out a lot of light, intelligent. Example, the sun is bright in the sky, she is a bright student. Calm. Meaning, peaceful and quiet. Example, the lake was calm in the early morning. Fast. Meaning, quick or rapid in movement. Example, the cheetah is known for its fast speed. Quiet. Meaning, making little or no noise, peaceful. Example, the library is a quiet place to study. Tall. Meaning, of great or more than average height. Example, the giraffe is a tall animal. Kind. Meaning, having a gentle nature, considerate. Example, she is known for her kind and caring heart. Warm. Meaning, having or giving off heat. Example, the sunlight felt warm on her skin. Tasty. Meaning, having a pleasant flavor. Example, the homemade cookies were delicious and tasty. Silly. Meaning, lacking in good sense, foolish. Example, their silly antics made everyone laugh. Neat. Meaning, orderly and clean. Example, she keeps her room neat and organized. Clever. Meaning, quick to understand or learn, intelligent. Example, the clever student solved the math problem easily. Cozy. Meaning, warm, comfortable, and snug. Example, the fireplace made the room feel cozy on a cold night. Shy. Meaning, nervous or timid in the company of others. Example, the shy girl hesitated to speak in front of the class. fresh, meaning newly produced or obtained, not stale. Example, the vegetables from the garden were fresh and crisp. Lucky, meaning having good fortune, fortunate. Example, winning the lottery made him feel lucky. Funny, meaning amusing or entertaining, causing laughter. Example, the comedian told a funny joke that made the audience laugh. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.